Step 1. Watch TV.
Warning. There's a F5 tornado heading towards the USA, Leavenworth, Washington. It is a strong F5 tornado, not an average one. It can break all houses, even basements. If it's not that deep, if you don't have a good basement, leave the town immediately. But it is harder to survive this way, so good luck.
There's a tornado coming? I didn't even notice that it's windy.
Step 2. Go outside.
Step 3. The tornado is already coming. Step 4. Go quickly into your basement. Step 5. Stay there. Step 6. The power went off. Step 7. Accept your fate.